Cardano value equivalent to 841 rands a coin. The present cost range 830 to 845. The earlier day close 836. The change was plus 0.5, plus on 60%. Converse rate, ZAR to ADA. Cardano cost expectation for September 2024. To start with cost at 687 rands. Exorbitant cost 722, while low cost 628. They found the middle value of cost 678. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 675. Change for September 17%. Cardano gauge for October 2024. To start with cost at 675 rands. Excessive cost 838, while low cost 675. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 743. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 783. Change for October 16%. Cardano cost expectation for November 2024. At the outset cost at 783 rands. Excessive cost 852, while low cost 740. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 793. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 796. Change for November 17%. Cardano conjecture for December 2024. At the outset cost at 796 rands. Excessive cost 988, while low cost 796. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 876. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 923. Change for December 16%. Cardano cost expectation for January 2025. First and foremost cost at 923 rands. Exorbitant cost 1146, while low cost 923. They found the middle value of cost 1016. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 1071. Change for January 16%. Cardano estimate for February 2025. First and foremost cost at 1071 rands. Exorbitant cost 1385, while low cost 1071. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 1176. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 1238. Change for February 15.6%. Cardano cost expectation for Walk 2025. Before all else cost at 1238 rands. Excessive cost 1396, while low cost 1214. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 1288. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 13.5. Change for spring 5.4%. Cardano conjecture for April 2025. Before all else cost at 13.5 rands. Excessive cost 14.19, while low cost 12.33. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 13.21. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 13.26. Change for April 1.6%. Cardano cost expectation for May 2025. First and foremost cost at 13.96 rands. Exorbitant cost 14.46, while low cost 12.56. They found the middle value of cost 13.45. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 13.51. Change for May 1.9%. Cardano gauge for June 2025. In the first place cost at 13.51 rands. Exorbitant cost 14.69, while low cost 12.77. They found the middle value of cost 13.68. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 13.73. Change for June 1.6%. Cardano cost expectation for July 2025. In the first place cost at 13.73 rands. Exorbitant cost 14.30, while low cost 12.42. They found the middle value of cost 13.45. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 13.36. Change for July to 7%. Cardano figure for August 2025. Initially cost at 13.36 rands. Excessive cost 13.76, while low cost 11.96. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 12.99. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 12.86. Change for August 3.7%. Cardano cost expectation for September 2025. Initially cost at 12.86 rands. Excessive cost 15.96, while low cost 12.86. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 14.15. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 14.92. Change for September 16%. Cardano estimate for October 2025. To start with cost at 14.92 rands. Exorbitant cost 14.92, while low cost 12.82. They found the middle value of cost 14.11. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 13.78. Change for October 7.6%. Cardano cost expectation for November 2025. To start with cost at 13.78 rands. exorbitant cost 1710, while low cost 1378. They found the middle value of cost 1516. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 1598, change for November 16%. Cardano conjecture for December 2025. At the outset cost at 1598 rands. Excessive cost 1738, while low cost 1510. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 1618. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 1694, change for December 16%. Cardano cost expectation for January 2026. At the outset cost at 1694 rands. Excessive cost 1766, while low cost 1535. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 1644. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 1650, change for January 16%. Cardano estimate for February 2026. First and foremost cost at 1650 rands. Exorbitant cost 1748, while low cost 1520. They found the middle value of cost 1638. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 1634, change for February 10%. Cardano cost expectation for Walk 2026. First and foremost cost at 1634 rands. Exorbitant cost 1757, while low cost 1527. They found the middle value of cost 1640. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 1642, change for Springs 05%. Cardano gauge for April 2026. To start with cost at 1642 rands. Exorbitant cost 1642, while low cost 1344. They found the middle value of cost 1518. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 1445, change for April 12%. Cardano cost expectation for May 2026. Before all else cost at 1445 rands. Excessive cost 1793, while low cost 1445. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 1590. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 1676, change for May 16%. Cardano estimate for June 2026. To start with cost at 1676 rands. Exorbitant cost 1822, while low cost 1584. They found the middle value of cost 1696. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 1703, change for June 16%. Cardano cost expectation for July 2026. To start with cost at 17.3 rands. Excessive cost 17.3, while low cost 14.20. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 15.88. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 15.27, change for July 10.3%. Cardano conjecture for August 2026. At the outset cost at 15.97 rands. Excessive cost 16.60, while low cost 14.